The last few days when I've been hiking near sunset, I get to the area of the marina that I watch the sunset from. And the most adorable couple has been joining me for the last few nights to watch the sunset. Here they are. They just flew in. See how close they'll let us come. But they come in and just walk around and watch the sunset. It is the coolest thing. And they seem to agree.